everyone. This video, I want to be able to explain to you exactly what sugar does to your body. Fruits are sugar too, even though they're natural fruits and natural sugars. Your body can't tell the difference between the two. It just processes both of them the same. So you need to be aware of that. And little by little, I'll explain those things to you. But first, we need to start with the history of sugar, the history of how our bodies work, understanding those things. And once you understand that, it makes everything else just that much easier. So I'm going to put a link at the bottom that's going to explain. It's kind of a funny way of explaining what sugar is, but it makes it easy to understand. So once you get through that, we'll go ahead and start doing some recipes. I have some nice sweets that we can make. My husband makes a wonderful cauliflower pizza. I know it sounds bad, but cauliflower pizza, the dough is already made. We buy it from the store and we load it up with everything. And he loves like gourmet pizza, so he puts everything on there and it tastes wonderful. We have pizza, we have shrimp fried rice, we do a cheesecake that's really divine. So like I said, let's start from the beginning. I'll keep loading videos on. If you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.